Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Timmy Turner from Fairly Odd Parents. So first we're going to get started with the right eye, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Moving over towards the bottom now, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. Let's move across now for the nose first. We're going to curve this line out and then back in. And now let's draw in our left eye. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this line around, bringing this back in underneath, creating another circle. And then moving over towards the right corner, again, just drawing in another circle on the side. Now from here, for the mouth, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. From that corner, again, we're going to bring this line down, arching this line all the way across. For the teeth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then in the center, just drawing in a diagonal line that comes up. Closing off the mouth, drawing in a diagonal line coming in. And then for our tongue, just curving this line over and out on the right. Let's draw on the eyebrows now. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line across. We'll do the same as we come down on the left. We're going to bring this diagonal line in on both sides. And then now from here, we're just going to again close this off, bringing this diagonal line over above both of our eyes. Now let's draw in the face. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and over. And now from this point, let's draw in a small diagonal line coming up. For the ear, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then now from here, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top. And then we're going to bring this line in towards our eyebrow. And again, as we come over in the center. Now in the ear, we're just going to draw in a swirl. So we're going to curve this line around, back in. Now let's draw in the hair. So on the side, we're going to continue this diagonal line coming through. We're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the top. From here now, from that point, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then we're going to bring this line across and through. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down. And then again, from that point, just bringing this line over and across. Now let's draw on the hat on the side. So continuing this line over here, we're going to bring this line up and then down. And then starting back on the top, we're going to continue to curve this line down towards the bottom. Now from here on the side, we're going to arch this line out and then back in the corner. And then coming over on the side, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Now let's draw on the body. So coming down, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across. We're going to bring this diagonal line all the way out towards the right. Coming further down, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out. And then closing off the arm, we're going to bring this line all the way over. For the thumb, arching this line up, bringing that down. And then for the pinky, replicating that, bringing that up. For the finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, from that point, we're just going to replicate that, curving this line up. Now from here underneath, from that corner, bringing this line over. From that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line down. And then for the shirt, we're just going to close this off with another diagonal line. We're going to extend this diagonal line out for the right leg, and then bringing this line in. From here for the foot, we're going to curve this line around and then across. And then we're going to bring this line up. For the left foot, curving this line around and then down. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back over. And now lastly, for our left arm, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out. For the thumb, curving this line down like we did on the right, as well for the pinky. And then for our first finger, arching this line in. And then again, one more time, curving this line up. And that is it. That's how you draw Timmy Turner. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.